A lot of what's stopping us is the fear of failure. We want things to be perfect the first time we do it, but it is rarely the case. Most of the time, we fail our first, second, third, and then later on, as we keep on doing and repeating the same things over and over again, that's the time that we acquire mastery of what we want. Now, we have what we call 4 stages of competence. Unang-una, yung unconscious incompetence, hindi natin alam na incompetent tayo. Second is the conscious incompetent, alam na natin na hindi tayo magaling. And then later on, as we work on ourselves, we become conscious competence. And then the last stage is unconscious competence. So, ibig sabihin, master na natin yung isang bagay kahit na pumikit tayo. And that's how we gain success. Success is not overnight. Daraan kayo sa isang mahirap, masalimuot, at minsan nakaka-discourage na pagbabago. But, hindi kayo makakarating sa paroroonan nyo or doon sa goal nyo kung hihinto kayo dahil lang sa nag-fail kayo. What you can do is you could always adjust doon sa failure na naranasan nyo at tanungin nyo yung mga sarili nyo kung ano yung pwede nyong improve at natutunan nyo doon sa failure para magamit nyo yon towards achieving your goal. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.